Okay, okay. So we are live right now. Welcome to all the students. It is my pleasure to congratulate and introduce Dr. Rupam, who has scored 194 in the recent FMG. So congratulations, Dr. Rupam. कैसा लग रहा है आपको when you got the result yesterday? What about you, your family? कैसा feeling था? थोड़ा सा बताइए.
So actually, that time I was out of my house, and in some group I got the PDF, and I thought this PDF is of this FMG, or maybe it may be like the previous FMG. I just opened it and I saw that the heading, and I just searched my name, yeah, the ID number, and I just thrilled to see the result, because this time the question paper, the first part was little bit tougher side from as my view, and second part was good, but the first half was, I think, a little bit on the tougher side. So I was thinking maybe 170 or 180, but I got 194. And on the second CBT in dance, I got 189. So it was
Okay.
almost the similar number.
Very close, yeah. And
Yeah,
actually, like, some questions which came directly from CBT, as if, they've just
yeah,
copied
yeah,
the CBT paper.
yeah. I have seen
So,
that.
yeah. So, what about your family members? I'm sure everybody will be like very happy and, like,
Yeah, and then after seeing the exam, I just called my mom, and she is actually right now with me.
okay,
She is
okay.
also very happy, and
हाँ, नमस्ते आंटी, हाउ आर यू?
हाय।
कैसा लग रहा है आपको इतना अच्छा स्कोर करा है उसने आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा, जब सुना तो आंख में तो पानी निकल रहा आया।
हाँ
हाँ,
जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी। नहीं, बहुत
बहुत
मेहनत करी है इसने 194 लाना इतना आसान बात नहीं होती आंटी, बहुत मेहनत करके ही इतना अच्छा स्कोर आता है। तो आई एम श्योर
हाँ,
रूपम ने बहुत तैयारी करके और अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम दिया है। सो वेरी, वेरी नाइस रूपम आपने बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत करी। अब कुछ थोड़ा-सा आपके एग्ज़ाम के दिन का एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा-सा बताएँ, कैसा लगा व्हेन यू सॉ द फर्स्ट पेपर 1 और उसके बाद क्योंकि काफ़ी बच्चे ऐसे बताते हैं कि पेपर 1 के बाद थोड़ा-सा डिमोटिवेट से हो गए थे कि यार अब तो गए। तो आपका कैसा फीलिंग था?
actually, during exam, I never feel bad. Whenever I
ओह!
did I have seen some question, I don't know. There are some tough question, but I don't know. Somehow, like there is no bad feeling inside of me. Like I don't know this question. That like there is no effect of the bad questions for me. So
दैट्स
that
वेरी
was a
नाइस।
good, yeah. Uh, After giving the first half, I told my father that yeah, exam was tough, but I think I will pass, because like I have given total 9 GT, including the 2 CBT. I've
हुँ,
given in the app, in the dams app, there are the lots of GTs were there. So I have given total 9 GT, and like last 5 or 6 GT, every GT I have got like more than 150.
हुँ,
So
हुँ।
like before 1.5 months before the exam, I got in every GT I got more than 150. So I had confidence that at least I will got 150.
Yeah,
So
very nice.
yeah,
That's one thing which should like which everybody should like listen right now that the self confidence on the day of the exam is very important because there were some
yes,
students who gave part one and they already decided in their mind that they will not clear, and because of that
mhm,
depression they were not able to give the part two properly. So that's very nice that Dr. Rupam you have not given even if there were something which is new to you and you were not able to answer, at least you were confident. So,
yeah.
Rupam, like, can you tell how dams have played a very important role in your study preparation? When did you join dams and how it has helped you? There are a lot of students who are listening to you.
Yeah, actually, I joined dams like I think on 10th August. I think, yeah, the first class was 10th August, and I have completed in the first half. There are lots of the detailed classes. I have attended almost all the detailed classes, and some subjects like I have read the dermatology only from you. Like before there, I have read dermatology little bit, but like it was not in the detailed way, or I like couldn't face any MCQ like before your classes.
Mhm.
So I studied dermatology before in the detailed classes in the first, and also in the DFX. I have done all the DFX, like all the teachers, all the subjects I have done, and DFX is very helpful, I would say.
Mhm.
DFX is like must for everyone, DFX, and we should like all the students should revise again and again the notes of the DFX. because notes, revising of notes is very helpful, not only the attending the class, because and also the MCQ practice. And I would like to say to everyone whoever is seeing this live streaming, that we should take out a time in the 24 hours to do the MCQ every day. Like unless there is in time we don't have time, we don't see that we should like take out a time to give the MCQ. And
That's very
I
nice,
like,
actually.
yeah, I wake up every day. I wake up in 5:45, and I did MCQ. Only after that I go out
Start.
of my bed, and then I go to bathroom and all. But after getting up in morning, I every day I give at least 100 to 150 MCQs. That was like, I would say that was helpful one for me, because MCQ practice is very important here.
Yeah, so it's actually a very nice thing you have told, and all those who are listening to us, this is a very important point. I've seen students, they keep reading, like they just keep
Yeah.
reading the theory again and again, and that's a big
Mhm.
mistake. Until unless you do the MCQs, you're not able to know that where you are doing the mistake. Sometimes you are not reading the questions properly, sometimes you're not reading the options. So doing MCQ is like, like having a practical exam every day. You can, totally interpret your theory into the paper. So that's a very nice approach.
Mhm.
What else, like, did you feel like making notes from multiple sources is good, or just concising, stick to one source and just revise it multiple times? What do you think was a good approach, Rupam, for you?
It's obviously it is not right to follow lots of sources. Just
Yeah.
stick to one, because it is anyone or any student should not having FOMO of they are not studying something. The teacher is like the teacher's note is very concise, there maybe there are lots of things are out of the notes. We don't think that. We need to think that we should follow the notes, like we should revise the notes again and again and do MCQ. Like whenever I read the one subject and I do MCQ, and after that again when I am reading the notes again, that is very helpful after doing the MCQs, because I know from where the questions are coming, which are the most important PYTs, that that idea should be in the mind, so that like it would be easy. Mhm.
Yeah, yeah, very nicely and correctly approached, and definitely, and that is why you have scored such a good rank, Dr. Rupam. So, once again, I congratulate you and your family for your efforts and your good score, and I hope for the best in future. Also, good luck for all the other exams you'll be giving. So, it was
Thank you,
nice
ma'am.
talking to you, Rupam. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good.